Good morning, YouTube. Yes, we're up early. Well, I'm up. Somebody's still laying down in bed. He tired. It's Vlogmas day 6. Yo, he just hit me with a pillow. He love playing early in the morning. Do y'all remember having pillow fights? Oh my God, them things could get out of hand sometimes. You hit somebody sorry with a pillow, they actually want to fight. You remember that beat? Damn, mi flaco. Yeah, y'all, he got a Spanish and Spanish-speaking boyfriend.
Spanish.
But good morning, everyone. I'm about to get up, make us a little breakfast before we head on out the door. I don't know what is with him now, but he like to bite. And he bites really, really hard. And
he bite.
And he really, really bite. That's an insider, y'all. We had a person that we knew that she got bit, and she
you
said...
You gonna tell the insider, but saying it's an insider?
I really... Oh.
An insider is something that nobody's supposed to know.
Oops. Y'all see some stuff, I just be like... I don't know whether to say it or not, but he really bite. So, without further ado, I'm going to take y'all in the kitchen while I grab up some breakfast for me and baby. Alright? See you in a minute.
What you cooking?
So, I'm cooking some turkey bacon, but not the regular, like, they got the uncured turkey bacon, and they got that turkey bacon, like it's like Oscar Mayer, but we like the one that comes from, like, the corner store. If y'all familiar with the corner store, it's that slab turkey bacon. Yeah. So, got that cooking.
Camera fogged up.
Ooh, camera got foggy. And we got some home fries starting up over there. Just started. And over here I got my onions and my peppers that I'm gonna put in there when they get, halfway done. I love some home fries. And then I might do some grits.
Robe.
Y'all like my robe? I don't usually wear a robe, but Babe be wearing his robe, so I decided to put my robe on. But yeah.
So guys, remember yesterday we said we were going somewhere. We were super excited. You could barely see me, but here we go. Come on.
So guys, we have made it. Shaheem is being funny. We have made it to PetSmart.
We going to get some kittens.
That's the baby. We have Shaheem's mom with us.
They're going to scratch.
She don't want to be on camera.
What? Hi.
Say hi to the camera.
Hello.
So we're gonna take you along with us while we go inside. PetSmart. It feel good out here, y'all. So guys, we are in PetSmart. And we are going to the cat section. Oh my God, and the first cat that we see is the cat that we like. We want an orange cat, y'all. And I like that cat. What you think, babe? You like that cat?
Look. It's the one we want.
He not even paying me no attention.
I say,
oh yeah, he said he liked that cat. Y'all see it? It's brown. What's his name? Friskies? Oh, Friskies, would you like to come home with us? I really would take that cat today if I could. That's a cute cat. It's nice. Do y'all see that? I want to inquire about that cat. I think she works here.
I think you can open it and touch her.
Excuse me.
The volunteers are.
Oh my God.
What did you say?
And then you can read about them.
When her family can no longer keep her.
She said this one is gentle.
It said it is unusual to find
Could we possibly pet the cat? Or,
Yeah, let me get
y'all, this cat, look at her. Or him. Is it a he or she?
That's a girl.
A girl?
That one? Yep.
That is a pretty cat.
She is so loving and so nice.
Yes?
Yes.
Oh my
I just
God.
spent, what, 10 minutes playing and scratching and... Wow. Take that one. Have you filled out that one? Oh my God.
No, not yet. Oh, we'll be back, guys. So, guys, here's some more cats. We're looking at a couple.
Well, whoever has
Some right here. There's some in there. That's a big brown one we just was pointing out to y'all. We were just talking about.
Everyone you want that day. So, because we have some that are from the shelter and they're a little shyer because they are always in cage.
So we got the cat, guys. She's going home with us. Gorgeous. You excited, babe?
I'm so excited. I ain't think we was gonna get it.
Doing okay?
Guys, we're still here. Purchasing all of the things
For our
we got to
baby.
take the baby home. I keep wanting to go over there and make sure nobody else eyeing her.
Yeah. She's ours now.
Yes.
She's ours now.
Are you going to keep the name?
We're not sure yet.
No. So guys, we got our baby. She's going home with us. Her name is Blossom. We are so excited. She's so curious now. You going home, baby? Get some.
We got a kid. We got a kid. We got a kid. I'm so excited.
Bye, guys. Look, guys, look what we brought home. Our new baby Blossom. She's so curious. Look. In the bathroom.
Hey guys,
Cooking.
back home.
Cooking.
The cat took up the whole day. It just stopped everything, but we're grateful because now we have a companion. We got a baby.
Tired.
We got a baby. We got a baby. We got a baby. Shy's tired, guys.
Yes, I am. Super tired.
He's
About to go take a nap.
really sleepy, as we call it. Sleepy. You sleepy? Hey, 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 hey.
Cat in here doing something in the
So we're about to have some salad with some
Chicken
grilled chicken. Yeah. This is one. Oh, about to show them our Christmas.
What?
But we'll be back in a moment. I was about to show them that.
Oh. Hey guys, we're back home. We just chilling on the couch, relaxing. Just finished eating.
Yeah, we just got finished eating that good old chicken salad. And now we're exhausted.
We're about to close out the video for today.
Yeah, the cat is even.
She's asleep.
Our daughter is asleep.
Turn it around and put it on her. Hold on 1 second, please. Let's see if you guys can see her. She's on the chair, knocked out, like so tired. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Cause we did. Today was a fun day. We didn't think that we was gonna come home with a cat for sure.
No, we didn't. We were just going to look, and this was actually our third time going to see a cat. And I guess it was just meant because that was the first cat that we saw. And then she actually went to us fast, but she didn't even go to the people that like worked there. She went to us. So.
And we changed her name. Her name was Frisky.
Her name was Frisky. She's 9 months.
But we gave her the name Blossom.
Yeah, we decided on Blossom. So that's our daughter's name.
And this is our video for today. Today is, I forgot what Vlogmas
6.
day it is. 6.
And yesterday we did 5.
So there's the closing of Vlogmas Day 6.
You guys have a wonderful night.
We'll see you guys tomorrow on Vlogmas Day 7. Peace.